Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to control signer flow using field navigation settings in BoldSign. This feature allows you to guide signers through document fields in a structured order, ensuring accuracy, reducing errors, and creating a smooth signing experience. When signers navigate documents freely, they often miss required fields or fill them out in the wrong order. This lack of structure can cause confusion, delays, and even incomplete documents. For businesses handling contracts or compliance-sensitive agreements, these mistakes can lead to workflow disruptions and additional follow-ups. Without a guided flow, the signing experience becomes inefficient and error-prone. BoldSign solves this problem with field navigation settings, which allows senders to define how signers move through fields during the signing process. By setting a navigation mode, you ensure signers follow a logical, predefined order, whether through all fields, only required ones, or just blank fields. This flexibility helps maintain accuracy, speed up signing, and create a smoother experience for signers, with options like navigate all fields, navigate all required fields, navigate blank fields, or navigate blank required fields. You can customize the process to make it faster and more intuitive. Imagine an HR manager sending job application forms to candidates and wanting them to complete only the mandatory fields in the correct order. The manager sets the field navigation to navigate to all required fields to ensure a smooth, error-free signing experience. Let me demonstrate how to do this. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. Go to the Settings menu and choose Business Profile. This action redirects to the Business Profile page, which is accessible only to account admins. Scroll down to the Field Navigation settings under the Document Settings section to view the available navigation options. By default, the setting is Navigate Blank Required Fields. Click the drop-down to choose the preferred navigation option. Each option controls how the signer moves through the document, whether guided through all fields, only required fields, only blank fields, or only blank required fields. The Navigate All Fields option allows signers to move through all required and optional fillable fields. Read-only and system-generated fields such as date signed and email are not included in the navigation. The Navigate Blank Fields option guides the signer through only the fields that are currently blank, whether required or optional. The Navigate All Required Fields option moves signers through all required fields, whether they are already filled or still empty. The Navigate Blank Required Fields option allows signers to move through only the required fields that are still blank. If a required field has already been filled, it is skipped. Back to the scenario. The HR manager needs candidates to be navigated to all required fields. To do this, choose Navigate All Required Fields and save the changes. Whenever a signature request is sent using this account, signers are navigated to all required fields when they use the Next button or Press tab while moving through fields. These changes do not affect previously sent documents. They apply only to future documents and to all users within this account. Next, let's see how this feature works. The HR manager needs to send a job application form to a candidate. To do this, click the Create New Document option. On the Prepare Document page, upload the job application form and specify the candidate's details. Once done, click Next to move to the Configure Fields page. Here, drag and drop all the required form fields and customize them as needed. Make sure to mark the mandatory fields as required. In BoldSign, it is also possible to specify tab navigation for each form field using a tab index. A video on how to set tab navigation for each form field has been published and can be checked to understand how to navigate signers in a custom order. Click the Send button to send the document for signature. Now switch to the signer's side to see how navigation works. The signers receive a signature request email. Clicking Review and Sign in the email opens the signing page. To start, click Start Signing, which redirects to the first required field. Clicking Next moves to the next required field. Pressing the Tab key also navigates to the next required field, while Shift plus Tab reverses the navigation order. Complete all required fields by filling each and moving to the next using the Next button. After completing all fields, finish the signing process by clicking Finish. That's how the Field Navigation Settings feature works in BoldSign. It helps ensure signers complete documents accurately and efficiently by guiding them through the right fields in the correct order. This simple setting can save time, reduce errors, and improve the overall signing experience for both senders and signers. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorial videos.